Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this portable 1500 watts heater that I think could be really good for like a small office, for example. An office like this one, I want to say like probably in between 200 and 400 square feet. I want to say that this one could be really good. This is not a heater for like a living room. This is not a heater for like a big house. It could be a personal heater that you take with you when you're like watching movies or something like that, or working from home, but it's not meant to be for like a super big space. So take that into account. But this one works really, really good. It comes with many functions, for example, like 3 heating modes and also an oscillating mode and a fan mode. And with the 1500 watts, it's not going to be like super demanding on consumption. So that's actually kind of nice and kind of good about this one. I like it because, as I was telling you before, it comes with the 3 modes. You're going to see that it's super easy to use. This is the fan mode. I'm going to actually put on the fan mode, and this is where you regulate the max and min temperature. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but you're going to see that this one works really good. And the fan mode is kind of like a quiet one, and it's going to be like a gentle one, I want to say. But then let's take a closer look. So as I was telling you before, the first one is the fan mode. You can see that it's super gentle. It's not super kind of like violent or powerful. This is where you're going to regulate the max or min power. So you're going to see that this one, whenever I'm putting like in the minimum one, so it's not even turned on. So this one right now, I'm going to put it in max mode. And now I'm going to put it in, actually, this is heat number 1, heat number 2, and the echo mode. So I'm going to actually put it in the number 3. This is going to be number 3, actually. It's the second one, but it's the 3. So fan 1, 2, and echo. This is, we hear, yeah, this is already heating up already. I was not expecting that one so fast. It is heating up already. But then let me show you this, which I think it's super cool. You turn on this, and it's going to be oscillating. So that's kind of like the nicest one, because you can actually put it like in the middle of 2 people or 3 people, for example, watching a movie, and all of them are going to have this really nice and powerful, again, how to say powerful heating mode right here. And then you put it in echo, and it's going to be a little bit better, I think. So echo mode is the one that's going to work the best, which I believe. And then you just like kind of like put it and stop it right here, and that's it. And now you're gonna see that it's on. As you can see right here, what happened if I actually lift it up? It turns off, meaning that it's kind of like a function that if something is happening and this one falls off, or one of your kids or pets knocks it off, it's going to actually turn off right away. So that's kind of cool. I like this one. Nice for small places like an office or like a bedroom or something like that. Works really good. 1500 watts. And of course, with the oscillating and the heating modes with this one, I think it's good. I like it. I'm going to recommend it with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.